Hey guys, you're watching BTech. I'm Basil and this is the Find X2 Lite, the most affordable Find X2 device from Oppo. A Find X2 Pro it is not. There is no 5x optical zoom here or crazy 512 gigabytes of storage, but what you do get is excellent value for money. 5G, as you can see by that logo, combined with 128 gigabytes of storage and 8 gigabytes of RAM, as you can see on that symbol. And it's all under £400, $399. Is it actually good value for money though? Let's take a look inside the box and find out. While I'm unboxing it, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please do. It's how you stay on top of everything that we do here at BTech. Oppo. Around the side of the box, by the way, nothing really of note beyond the name embossed in gold very nicely. You've got some gorgeous presentation for a non-flagship device right there. Let's take a look. We've got what feels like and what looks like and what is a case in the box. Some literature as well and a SIM eject tool. Can pile that up neatly over there. And now it's time for the device itself. The Find X2 Lite integrated 5G system on a chip, ultra steady video 2.0, 4025 milliamp battery, VOOC flash charging 4.0, and a 48 megapixel quad camera. For anyone who doesn't know, 4.0 VOOC flash charging is 30 watts, 50% in 20 minutes. And we've got this gorgeous Huawei P30 Pro pearlesque finish around the back. Looks very good. I'm going to power this up, put it to one side, and while it does power up, I can talk you through the rest of the box contents. Picking up a piece of cardboard to reveal you've got a power cable, a USB-C to USB-A. You've got some headphones, again, not something you always see with a phone of this price. Oppo actually started life making audio equipment, so hopefully its headphones are awesome too. And you've got that charging brick as well. Wunderbar. Putting that to one side and we can super quickly talk you through the phone. And just like that, it's set up. As you can see, it runs with ColorOS 7. This is Oppo's latest operating system, skin running with Android 10 under the hood. To the left, you've got the Smart Assistant window, which gives you some key updates. You can customize it quite extensively and load it up with things like weather, contact information, and more third-party sources available. Main menu, like home screens, you can customize as well. And there is an apps tray, unlike with Huawei phones, the standard and Xiaomi phones. In fact, ColorOS has become one of the better operating systems around. You can see it's looking very bright here, but thanks to the fact it's running with an OLED display, the dark mode is truly effective. So switching out will give you some true blacks right there. Can get rid of the navigation buttons as well. So the user interface is pretty snappy. It's not got the most powerful chipset in the world. It's a Snapdragon 765 combined with 8 gigabytes of RAM though. That's seriously decent, and 128 gigabytes of storage. Down at the base, you've got that USB-C port and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The right hand side is just a power button. To the left hand side, you've got volume buttons. Up at the top, no buttons of note. Now the screen is a good looking one. It's full HD, wide full HD. It's OLED technology, 6.4 inches, Gorilla Glass 5 at the front, and it's advertised at 430 nits brightness. So again, not quite flagship, but not too far off, especially factoring in that price and the fact you're getting that 5G. As for the cameras, it's a pretty decent bag for the price. You can get more versatile cameras, but the main 48 megapixel camera is a true tried and tested system we've seen before. Sony sensor, f1.7 aperture, 26mm wide angle. You also get an 8 megapixel ultra wide, clocking an f2.2, 2 megapixel black and white sensor. That's old school Huawei stuff right there. And there's a 2 megapixel depth sensor as well. On the front, interestingly enough, it is one of the most pixel-tastic cameras on this thing at 32 megapixels with nice wide open f2 lens and a 26mm wide angle. So what do I think so far? Feels good, looks good, should perform well, has 5G, reliable Qualcomm internals. You can again probably get more bang for your buck elsewhere, but Oppo is starting to really become consistent in delivering a polished device at many price points. Add to the mix a case in the box and that nice Zippy fast charging, and I don't think if £399 sterling is your budget, you will really be complaining if you pick up an Oppo Find X2 Lite. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, thumbs up button, and like I said, make sure you stay tuned to BTech. Over the coming weeks there will be lots of new stuff and I'm sure you will enjoy it. Thanks for watching.